Hey everybody, this is Angie with Too Cool Stamping. I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to make one of these cute little mini gift bags. This is one that I made quite a while ago with some retired product, but it's such a cute design. I've kept this as kind of a template for myself, and I learned how to make this from Jackie Bullheis a long time ago at one of our Stampin' Up! Events. So let me show you how to make this. Super easy. So we're just going to take a piece of designer series paper. This is from the Dashing Along paper from 2018, and it's going to be 8 inches across by 12 inches long. So we'll start out by using our Simply Scored pad, and we're going to score on the 8-inch side at the 2-inch mark and also the 6-inch mark, so 2 inches in from each side. Now when you're using designer series paper, you want to use the larger tip of your scoring pen here because your paper's kind of thin, so if you use the smaller tip, that might cause it to tear a little bit if you're pushing down too hard. So I like to use the larger ball. Now we're going to change the orientation here, and we have several scoring marks to make on this one. So the first one is going to be at 1 inch. Then we're going to be at 5 inches, 7 inches, and 11 inches. So essentially 1 inch from each side, and then at the 5 and the 7 to create the base of your bag. So next we're going to fold. We'll move this out of the way. We're going to fold on the score lines and start to create the shape of that bag. And I like to give it a nice crease with my bone folder. And actually, I think this is when you need to decide what side you want on the outside and what side you want on the inside. So this one's going to be a red bag, and if you want your red to be showing, then you have to crease the ends in the opposite direction, because that's going to be the little detailed piece along the top. Okay, so now we have all of our scores folded, and we just need to do a couple of very simple cuts. So we're going to cut on that 5-inch score line up to the next crossing score line, and again at the 7-inch score line. And then I like to make just a little angled cut so that it will fold nicely together. So you make a little flap. We'll do that on the other side. And another little angled piece off of each side. All right, so now we have our base of our bag, and then we just need to add just a little bit of tape. So all you need is a little bit of tape right here at this panel, clear up to the score line. You don't want to go over the score line. And then also on this side, up to the score line. So we're just using some tear and tape for that. And that really is all the adhesive that you'll actually need. It's going to fold up very easily here. And if you want to, you might add a little bit of tear and tape on your flaps, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to use these 2 little strips of tear and tape. Fold this on the inside, bring this up, and make those edges nice and flush. And the same with this one. Bring the flap in, bring your side in, and I like to set it on the table so you know that your bottom is going to be nice and square, so it'll sit flat. And that is all there is to it. Just kind of bend in the corners a little bit, Make sure that it's nice and square. And there's your box. I love that. It's just such a simple, quick, fun box. And then you can decorate it however you like. This is an old version that I have, but if you want to add some handles to it, I just have some really simple handles. Just, you know, use a hole punch and put some ribbon through there, tie some knots in there. You could have the handles going this way. You could have the handles on the ends going across, and then decorate it however you like. I just really love this as a basic gift bag. It holds a gift card really nicely, and any kind of a small gift, money, it's a great money holder. So it's a great last minute type of a gift, especially if you don't have a gift bag available or a gift card holder available. Get out your designer series paper and make a quick one. This one is so easy. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Angie with Too Cool Stamping. See you next time. Bye-bye.